nonghikai nehu kibadon hak Joint Action Committee hak tarik Naiwieng arjar arpulai kelami paidbah Biang ban pyrshah jingthungkam Vice Chancellor nehu prof.Prabha Shankar Shukla ya Rohit Prasad senior consultant. Hakani Jingiakhih pyrshah nonghikai nehu kila dawa ban weng mardor ya Rohit Vice Chancellor khot kren hapoh ophis hynrei liang jong nonghikai kila kyntait ban rung kamra VC ban kren bat kila dawa ya VC ban mi shabar ophis jong ban kren markmat bat ki ringkat bat kesithi weng hynrei liang VC ru tere ban mi shabar ban kren. Habai kren cikilak pathai Khubor chairman ke JAC Professor Lakhon Kma ong bikin penjur ya ke Jingiakhih ahak khatlai tarik Naiwieng arjar arpulai.
And this Vice Chancellor has to remember that we are, and a pressure cooker cannot withstand heat beyond a certain period of time. If it bursts, what damage will occur, we can't guarantee anyone. And that's why I think it is important that we, as long as there are democratic channels open, as long as there are negotiation channels open, maybe he will have somewhere behind his mind some good thought where he will try to put up his mind and make sure that these demands are met in a time-bound manner. And that is where I think we will all impress upon him time and again whenever we meet. The second aspect that we see, which has happened, looking at his blunders that he is doing again, I think last night or before that, he has removed all statutes, ordinances, and regulation from website. May we ask this Vice Chancellor, because you know all of us are coding different rules, whether you are in your home, whether in your hostel, whether in your official room, whether you are in this country or outside the country, any part of the ship, we can see all our rules and regulations, we can download it from our website. But then it seems, because we all are getting access to the rules and regulations that we all know, of course, it really, frankly speaking, doesn't matter much because most of us have downloaded almost everything that was there in the website because we knew someday when you have a person of this kind sitting in the chair, he might resort to all sort of things. So as a backup, let him be aware that as a backup, we have downloaded all those that is there in the website. So we really don't worry as far as information is, whenever information is required, we will get it one way or the other. And also we have those blue books with us, which more or less is the same. But important thing is how or who is he to remove our acts, statutes and ordinance, rules and regulations from the university website. This Jack wants an answer, and Vice Chancellor have to give us an answer. Yes, we understand that you may have some ordinances which are outdated. But your Nehu Act and statutes cannot be altered whether you like it or not. Those cannot be altered. That remains for all times to come. You should have not touched the Nehu Act and ordinance, Nehu Act and statutes. Yes, some ordinances are outdated. You should have removed them. Not only removed, I won't say you should have removed them. You should have added an amended form. Only the amended form should have been added saying that this particular ordinance has been changed as on this day. But then, because he is known, he has a track record of playing with fire. I think he likes playing with fire. When you like playing with fire and you don't have a fire extinguisher with you, this is the most blunder thing that you can do. Because you can play with fire only when you have a fire extinguisher with you. Right now, let it be very clear. You don't have any fire extinguisher with you, yet you dare to play with fire. We will play with fire. We like this game the way you want to play it. We will play it the way we like it.
VC! Down, VC! Down, VC! Down, VC! Down, VC! Down, VC! Down, VC! Stop misusing your chair! 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 Abide by statutory provisions! Abide by statutory provisions! Abide by statutory provisions! Respect Nehu Acts and statutes! Respect Nehu Acts and statutes! Respect Nehu Acts and statutes! Respect UGC appointment regulations!
Hakene ka jinglang ya asim katok anetli ki rai ki ba kongsan kawai ningkong ngi ong ba yongniu breu ba ila thung klam da don ka an ka kanun ba diben thung kam haponihu ula thung udon kam ban weng wood kumangil abo ude ladau ka ban kren ban ngi u hapni shaingi ka termination letter ne ka removal ka city bala wengi inaka kam haing handai ngitip yo bring la pen mi nang ne ngathal tangkan no la pet handai ngi kwap ui nama dau pen pi ngi da ka city pen pau ba ula bakla hadar kata ka baar pade bangila rai manta kasni ba kapisa ba ula siu tulobi nyopusan hajar Sauputingka plus lipo % DA kat kumka bunai Julai arja arpoar bat ka quarter bagi ai kata ka tulop ni depan siwe naka plajong i namar ka deka pisa nehu ila pendon kam bakla idon kam basiu na mndi naka pisa nehu I hapsein naka tulop jong i pa in ui ba lada pi pendon kam bakla ka pisa nehu ngi kum ka jack ngi kum ki sang ki badon hapon nehu ginia banjur ngin ong bai ba pi depan siwe naka plajong pi nama pim don hak pendon kam bakla ka pisa jong ka nehu ka balai bangi la ra hang ne namar ngi ui ba ka ki jingta ka jack menta ka la don la de ka tang kawe ka kunhon ka baya kun ye ki jing dawa jong ber lightly giseng nihusu nihuta ban nihunsa na kawe ka porsche kawe por ngila UI ki demands ban ki deadline manta namar ngila ye kun bai kum kawe ka kunhon ngila ya merge lang ngila ya subsume bai ki demand bar ha jong ni giseng ban ka deadline haka jack tamut kuno ka deadline baki ai nama ka deadline ba ai ka jack ka kut jisam manta ka me tamut hak ni ka tiyo pun ban namang idon ki program jeng khna ngim ka ban thot kata takadau haka khatlai tarik kan sedang ka Jingiakhih ka bajur hangni ngil arai ru daga chisur ngil arai ba ngi kum ka seng ngi kum ka jack ngin ya pen panchichu ngidang pen klanya kan ya jingki jongi hado bom ban sel ese sapoi ka por bangin pha I ban weng ban mi sendon nang ne namar haba ngi pe manta don kata ka jingkwa ban solve gini ki problem jongi ki barang ki jing jongi kat bab ngidang bo hai I ele ban pen pen der ba ya ka por ngamtip ka e ka daw hynrei ka kamba I sok ba ban le hynrei im kwa kumba ila le philai I haka economic council ka to ka emergent economic council ka deben le Naduh bana August bangila ajing tho ipen slam lai bana ipen thodi ki jing pule puthi jongi khana hynrei khaddo dai khot meeting haposting tang ladep rai ladep solve ka problem kumjo hi ka Jingiakhih jong Rohit ru jisa ka posuk nama yo bri phila thung klem an klem interview jisa haposting ta phila ben la ban weng hynrei kwa ban weng kwa ban pen pau ba ula bakla ngitip ba don la chudu kumbai Rohit numwan chuane no hynrei kwa ban weng I ben nama dai weng in pau ba ila bakla kwa ban Khubor ya kata nama ubri ulalong ba supala ula kumang yang ten paneng ulong arrogant ka ego jongi ka arrogance jongi ka lalong shoba palat ba kwa tang ban Khubor ro ba ila bakla nama lari terminate tamun ila Khubor ba ila bakla kwa ban kren dan ka termination city anda ngila dep ong lada ka kren ban ngi pi habon ra sha ka city ba pila weng kam yone kram kata nginum tre ban kren ni kono kam kono ka demand ba ngila bo Jingiakhih be kumne ngile man nai kren ba ingile Jingiakhih be ngene wan be ngene na ko porsche ko por tamangin ban be ngidang pun khan pun jur be kene ka Jingiakhih jongi hado bangin yo kata ka thong jongi ka jingjob namar ki jingdawa jongi ka de jingdawa ki pakong sane la bun banai bun snap mentang la bu ki jingdawa hynrei umju khain snap u khain bai gine noi kai kin le yu gine non teaching staff kin le yu gine ki student kin le yu hare su so ba lada pila pelang gine ki jingdawa lada ki la bun palat sapoi ko ka sni ka saplo lalong sisa kum ta kene ka jing kana jongi ka jing kwa jongi ka jing thrang jongi u klam snap bor shi kata menta kala plo sisa kan plo kan hek adana ya ka por namar da ka poi ka khalai tari jong nu bunai phin soi ka Jingiakhih ka ba khrau kan sedang dang ta ter ngin saya perkhat biang kunu ban le hado ban sapoi ka por lada u chong be kumne u chong sangem be kumne ban sing hap dawa be le se ba un hier shupino kata hynrei ngampat kwa ban ong matan mai par rai hapoh jack le se ngin dang ya hakata ka liang hakata ka lain nabar kat kum ka jing pe jongi uni buri mat syempang ka ege sudo kum don treka hado ula not ba napo ka website jong kan nehu la weng lut ki PDF file jong kan nehu act statutes ordinance rules ba regulation kabar deban don be hang tu nama dau shong buru na Delhi ne napo US ne napo Europe udeban la ban download kan nehu ka anjo kan nehu ka long kumno ka act jong kan nehu ka ong kumno weng namar u ai dau ba ki long outdated uang hynrei hot ka don kan tu kan nitli ki ordinance ki balong out hande mdi por khai khamtam kan nehu act but ka statutes pimla ban perkala la de pas da ka parliament Naduh 73 hadu mentak ne be kumjo hynrei yi kita ru weng namar kwa bangi kum ki seng lane kum ki we ki nonghikai lane gitu ki nonghikai le se ki bala le chakot bakin yo ki jingtip ling ba gitu ki ordinance mangidon lane ki statutes palasha la ki file case bakin num yo information le su tho u khain sting yangi umut ba ngim don ngi pade ki nonghikai ki lane ki non system ngila download ba khoi ki don be ki PDF file la jong la download la don kam ngin sapon don kam ki hak no ko por hynrei ka kalau kajing bi jong ni vice chancellor apoh sakapot ba sutu ke udang le umut hai dala weng yegini na po website kala akut harne ngidon da ka kot ka bala de print ngidon ka kot ka ba blue ka deki ong ka nehu ka volume 1 volume 2 bala don nadong sedong nadong 70 bagi nehu act ordinance bagi state hoy kinde ngi apan kala namar kat kum ka juk apan kala namar kat kum ka regulation ba wan na po UGC ngi hap pen kala ki jong hanre kaba bon balang hi kadang ne bet kaba bon hi kadang ne bet thik kumangi lada snaya kan nehu act statute hamtam nehu act ba statute lai pim lapun ki kreban bol de ban weng jisha hanre ka jingweng jo u aida u pha ong yu to ba computer operator ba u aida ba ngin update nang tangin sa upload biang in sa pet kai hagini kisngi banwan kadeshan em hanre ni suba bet ba ula asngoma pakila upload iki anji kanun kini hikai la neki seng la shaikin wan kin ya target be nga kat kum ka ai nama yala de ula amlen mentrai krem an imat stunat bangi larangi kod ki anyong kan nehu lese stunat usngo ba ula rem tengin sa pni kat mana ka por khamte bhamangi ne khamte bhamai nama ni ka rule jong kan nehu ngila bam london na ka koi ka por sa ko pe hanai une badang suban ngam tharai chisin ru ula de pule ka yeki shani ba heki ki staff jongi kat baki ong nama ngila i hakne ka UGC ka notification ba ukudo kata ka clause 9b uklem pule tang haka kedo ba shipho ba khatwe haka khatwe ka don kumno fi deban thungkam you know they contractual ne permanent fi deban don ka advertisement fi deban don ka screening fi deban don ka selection committee nang tamni tang kata ka selection committee ka don digi phongot ki don ki members ka selection committee vice chancellor de tang chairman hande don ki expert hang to don ki dean ki head hande yakata uklem pule nama ubriu ba lese semphang da pule nama ngimti uwan naka lese naka hindi medium laban ong nama da kren pareng das daka puli ki kten pareng mar sutu nama bon sen abang kran uang be ngala ada puli dictionary ngala ada keliyo judge ngala ada keliyo ne ngala ada keliyo te ka jingmut jong executive council ka de kumta ka jingmut jong academic council long ta hanrei ni pare ni bala tre hang ne tip ka board jong executive council ka power and function jong executive council ka power and function jong ka academic council ka power and function jong VC ka ude ban le ka ba umla ban le ya kata ngi tip ba hanrei ni hapon ni hu dangi kwa nengim kwa rule himla ban ya la ka rule bala don ka rule thik pathik pi habot de na lembaga academic council na lembaga executive council ni habot thik pathik namar ngi don lu ka university code hang tong ngin habia tainia biang kumno pila apnia ya ka university takala manta habodon chancellor nama haka university ko chancellor udah chairman chancellor la ban chair ka ta to por vice chancellor habdi ba ada don ki jing bakla khamtang haka liang ka khen ka dia la ka jing bakla itu ru hab batai kumno pendon kam bakla ya ka bisa dia katakan saban haka university ko tamangi nang habaya sakmat ngin ban be nginang tunjur be ngene jing si hado bengin pen paus segi paidbah selansar ka badan hapoh ka jela jungi barsha sabar jangan jela pin pen pau ba uni vice chancellor long fit men shang hang nega syuki hanrei pila thong de i president of india i tingi buram ya kata namar ngim la le hanrei ka Jingiakhih jungi ganja sakmat le se kan sapoi ka por ngin ong hia syuki no habau la le kum te ngatrai kum ka manakani ngakan ma be kli kata jingkli bangin ya thon em sai president india ngathai le ka por bangin tho ka detail report ngin ai kumno open khan ki an haka liang ka thungkam thungjam hakalong ka kong ka penya ja kam vice chancellor hapoh nehu ngin ai ru ka copy le se so governor bangin batai thik pathik point to point ngin batai kumno new vice chancellor ba pila thung na po president's office hanre wan hang ne hapoh nehu open don kam bakla ya ka borjong vice chancellor ngathai kata ka de ka report bangin snano le se haka singi baningkong singin ya how ingin ya snaya ka report ban phan so president bat copy yo governor jongi udah chief